Hi, this is the Ubiquiti dual router system that was just installed on our Airstream trailer. This is the Ubiquiti internal router. This is actually the router module. It just plugs in to this actual power module over here. So this actually is the internal router. It broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal inside that we connect to, so we have our own internal private network. This is the Ethernet cable, which is a power over Ethernet. So this provides power to the system outside, which I'll show you in a second. But this was actually just run underneath our trailer to a cable access point outside. The cable access point is right here, and we ran it into the box into a jack that we could easily connect the external router to. The blue line is the external router. That's just this little silver box is just a coupler that we connect to. And you can see the line runs all the way to the side. Apologize for my cable management and hose management, not very pretty. And then we have a mount unit on top of here on the glass. So it's a suction cup, and then this just connects to this external router, and you just point this to an access point somewhere on the grounds. And the software actually shows you the strength of the signal, so you can pick which access point you wanted to connect to, so you can make sure you stay connected to that particular access point. So for us, when we pack up to leave, all I have to do is just disconnect this, wrap up the blue cable, disconnect it from the coupler, and I'm ready to go. When I get someplace, I just unwind it, put it back up. I can put it anywhere on the trailer I want that's pointing to the closest access point, and I'm done.